To do this trend, you need to download FacePlay application from Play or App Store. This is a paid application, but you can make your video for free for this trend. But you have to face lots of ads. Now slide left and go to Movie section. Now slide up and look for the Netflix movie filter option. You will find 3 to 4 Netflix filter options for both movie and a series. After finding the filter, choose anyone you like and click on it. Now click on Free to use and then log in with your Google or Facebook email ID if you haven't logged in. Now click on Add Face and add your photo from gallery. Now click on Confirm. Now wait for some time until it generates your video. Now click on No Watermark if you want to remove logo from the video. From that you have to watch a 40-second advertisement, or if you want to save with watermark, just click on Save. After watching the advertisement, your video will be saved in your gallery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.